Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your game loop issue. Okay, if you're playing a high-end game on your PC, your PC gonna lag and stuck. So your PC gonna stutter and your PC gonna overheat. Okay, many problems. Okay, I'm going to fix them. Okay, just follow my steps. And guys, some people don't have a nice processor, but they have a nice RAM or graphic card. But some people have a nice RAM and graphic card, but they don't have a nice processor. So, how to fix setting according to your PC? Okay, I'll show you in this video. First step, I'm going to show my PC specifications. So you can see my PC specifications. I have a dual core PC, but this is the old dual core PC, okay, with 6 GB RAM and GT 710 graphic card NVIDIA. So I have my specifications. Okay, these are not good specifications. Okay, I cannot play hand games in my game loop because of my processor. Okay, I'm going to fix this issue and go to settings. Here you find basic. Okay, setup according to your, but don't click on this two, just uncheck. Then select your boss key, and you can say where the screen recordings can say okay your wish. And these are customizations and the language, so you can select your English. If you don't know, you can select any other languages. You can select your country. So here you find engine, go to this engine tab. Here you find screen reading mode. The screen reading mode, if you have a nice graphic card but you don't have a nice processor, okay, the first I'll show you. If you have a nice a fine processor but you don't have any high-end graphic card, so just select OpenGL. If you have a, for suppose if you have a 4-core processor, if you have a more than a 4-core processor or 4-core processor, but you don't have a nice graphic card, so select this. If you have a like 12 core processor like me with a with a 710 or any other graphic card, you can select DirectX. Okay, all you have a nice is if you have a nice processor, if you have a nice graphic card, okay, you can select this. But I'll prefer go to this. If you don't have a nice processor, enable rendering cache. Okay, just enable this. Disable force global rendering cache. If you have a graphic card, just enable. Okay, if you don't have any external graphic card, okay, just disable it. I have a graphic card, so external graphic card, a dedicated graphic card. Okay, you can select this. Enable rendering optimization. Just enable this. It will speed up your PC while gaming. And anti-analyzing, just off this. Okay, you can slow down your game performance. Okay, for a low-end PC. If you have a fine PC with all nice specifications, select to balanced, or if you have a very good PC with all high graphics, and you can select ultra mode. Okay. Next step, memory. Here you can set, if you have a 4 GB RAM, you to select here 2048. Okay, get your allowed only if you have a 4 GB RAM, select this. If you have a 6 GB RAM, go to automatic, or if you have a more than 6 GB RAM like that, go to here 8192. Okay, I'll prefer go to automatic. Okay, according to my PC and processor. You're gonna select your processor, so I'm selecting your automatic. So it's gonna automatically allocate, but if I select 2 or automatic, nothing gonna change. So because I have a 2 core processor, so I'm selecting this to automatic. Screen resolution is the main step. Okay, the main step, guys. If you want to play in a with the bad graphics and you want a nice FPS in your low-end PC, you can select this resolution, because if you select this, you can play any game in a game look very smoothly. Okay, because it will decrease your pixels. Okay, guys, I'm gonna select this because I have a fine graphic card, so I'm gonna select this. And screen DPI, select 160. If you have a dual core, or if you don't have a nice graphic card, or if you don't have a nice RAM or processor, check 160, it will be fine. And you can select this. Okay, it is automatic. Okay, then go to model, just select rock 2. Okay, this is rock 2. And common, just don't uh, do any modifications in. Okay, just select this common model, don't do any configurations. Go to game, is the main step. Okay, it's the main step. Select SD 720p. Okay, it's the main step. Okay, if you select HD, your your PC gonna lag. Okay, if you have a fine graphic card, RAM, and processor, select this. I don't have a fine processor, so I'm going to select this. And here find graphic quality, set it to smooth. Smooth is for a low end PC, it will decrease the graphics, some amount of graphics. So, and the FPS, guys, don't select 90. Okay, here is the main step. Don't select the 90. Okay, select 30 or 40 if you have a if you don't have any nice processor, or a nice if you don't have any nice RAM or graphic card. Okay, if you don't have a graphic card, I'll prefer to select 30 or 40. I'm selecting here 40. That's it, just save. After that, here you can see now, guys, if your PC have any virus or any malwares, just remove. Okay, remove your virus and malwares. Okay, if you don't know how to remove virus and malwares for free, okay, just click on that button on top of screen and just watch that video. You can remove your virus and malwares if you have any virus. If your PC is slow, okay, just watch that video and solve your issue. And don't forget to update your game loop. Okay, it's gonna fix your issues. Okay, it's a new update. Okay, these are the new features and gonna fix any other issues. Okay, and okay, I want to cancel this update for now. Okay guys, now the main step. Okay, and guys, you're gonna set up your settings on your game. For suppose if I have a pubg mobile in my PC, so open that and select a best setting. Select your best settings for a nice GPU and processor. Okay, how? Okay, select in a low graphics. Okay, don't select any HD or high graphics settings. Select low graphics and don't select high FPS, and disable anti-aliasing and vsync. Guys, that's it for this video. I'll meet you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.